Hi, my name's Abbi Jackson. I'm the author of Dilemmas in Decision Making in Social Work. I saw the need for this book to help students and newly qualified social workers to gain some insight into areas of practice that they'd not yet been exposed to in their journey. So trying to help show where theory transfers into practice, into something meaningful. So the book is a series of fictional characters told from the perspective of a pretend social worker, so a snapshot in time of the interaction that they're having with the person that they serve. So it's intended to illustrate kind of practice dilemmas. For example, how do you respond to somebody who is vulnerable where there's evidence that their son is potentially growing cannabis in the garage? Or how do you respond when how do you respond to a child when their father has just been arrested, for example. So the book is intended as a springboard for discussion. So really kind of, it's not the definitive best practice, examples, even if they do exist, but it's a way of opening up discussion and critique. So, a starting point for further research, and I hope people can kind of, lift the reflective questions and apply them kind of like in real time in their own practice. So what I was hoping to do was to help support the development of attuned and insightful social workers who are able to kind of, critique their own practice and each other's practice, to know how to assess risk and need, and deeply consider what the meaning of information is for people, and challenge the right people at the right time, in the right ways, in respectful and sensitive ways. And I would hope, to help support students and social workers to feel a sense of practice efficacy, that their decision making is kind of, built on strong foundations. So I'm really looking forward to hearing, some feedback. Welcome that as always, and thank you very much for listening, and best of luck. Thank you.